In today's video, I'm going to teach you to log into Humana Medicare Advantage. We'll walk through the secure step-by-step process so you can reach your account quickly and confidently. All you need is your username or the verified email you used when you registered and your password. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go directly to account.humana.com. Typing the address into the bar at the top is the safest route, and you should see a secure connection indicator in your browser. Make sure you're on the official Humana site before entering any information. If you've bookmarked the page, you can use that as well, but avoid third-party links or unfamiliar emails to prevent landing on a lookalike page. On the sign-in page, begin by entering your username or your verified email address. This should match the information you used when you set up your online account. If you're not sure which one you used, try the email where you normally receive Humana messages. Type carefully and watch for extra spaces before or after your email, which can cause errors. If your browser suggests an autofill, double check that it places the correct account details in the right field, especially if you manage more than one account. Next, type in your password. Passwords are case sensitive, so confirm that caps lock isn't on and that numbers and symbols are entered exactly as you created them. If you prefer, you can paste a saved password from a reputable password manager, but be sure there are no accidental spaces at the beginning or end. Some browsers offer a show or hide option so you can verify each character before you proceed. When everything looks correct, click the sign in button. In a moment, your account dashboard should load and you'll be ready to review your plan details. If you have trouble logging in, don't worry, click forgot username or forgot password on the sign in page to recover your details. The site will guide you through quick verification, which may include confirming your email and following a link sent to your inbox. If you don't see the message right away, check your spam or junk folder. For password resets, create a strong new password you haven't used before, then return to the sign-in page and try again. And that's it, you're now logged in to your Humana Medicare Advantage account. With these basics covered, you'll be able to sign in smoothly whenever you need and get right to managing your plan.